Hey Escambia County teachers, and welcome back to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. This week we're diving into part 3 of our Rubrics series, learning how to edit and clone existing rubrics. Stay tuned to find out how. From your gradebook assignment, go ahead and look for the Rubric tab in your details screen. You'll see here that we've selected to have the science project rubric attached to our assignment. We showed you how to attach rubrics in the last video. So you'll see here all of our criteria, and you'll see all of the scores across the top. If you want to edit this rubric, all you have to do is click the edit button, and then you can edit the title, you can edit the criteria words, you can edit any of the descriptors as shown here, and you can edit the score value as well. Now you can only edit the score before you start grading. If you use this rubric to grade, you can no longer edit that score value. Then click Save. Once you've used this rubric for grading purposes, you're no longer able to edit in the exact same way. You can still click the edit button, but you'll notice here that this rubric has been used for grading and only the descriptions remain editable. So I can still edit the descriptions if I need to correct any kind of thing in the title or any kind of vocabulary or word usage. However, I am unable now, since this has been used for grading, to edit this numeric value used for scoring, since that's already happening in the grading process. Once you make those changes, go ahead and click Save. If you also find that you're wanting to use this exact rubric for another assignment, you can click the clone button right there. So this will clone and make a duplicate copy of the rubric you've already created. Here, you can go ahead and change any of the criteria or add extra criteria. You can change the scores and add extra scores, and you can change the numeric values here even if it has already been used for grading, as long as you're cloning. You may also add weighted criteria, so you'll see here that that extra column populates, and we're able to change the numeric values for the percentages there. And you're also able to edit the descriptions inside of these boxes if you're wanting to use this as more of a template. You may also edit the title, which will help distinguish this in your rubric bank dropdown. And when you're done making those edits, click Save. And you'll see here now that it may default this newly created cloned rubric as the rubric used for this assignment. So make sure you click that rubric bank dropdown and default it back to the previously created or the originally used rubric. And then click in the top right hand corner your save to save all changes. And now you know how to edit and clone using Focus rubrics. And that's another Byte of Tech. Thanks for watching. Check out the additional videos listed here and open the description below for more resources and a comment card for future video requests. Before you leave, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our new videos every Tuesday.